What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about my fourth dividend payment with Armour Residential REIT, ticker symbol ARR. I love getting dividend payments, and if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to making money in the stock market, there are so many different ways to make money in the stock market. And the more and more I am invested literally with my time and energy and money in the stock market, the more I get enlightened, if you will, about the different ways that you can make money and possibly different types of stocks that you should probably have in your portfolio. So as a treat to myself and to you guys, you get to witness what it is that I'm doing in regards to the stock market. And so I'm going to take you along with me on my journey. As a matter of fact, the more and more I think about the stock market and the more that I continue to invest my money, I'm starting to think to myself, you know what? I can be a millionaire. And that'll be pretty interesting if I can take you guys along with me to see that journey and to show you what is possible. As a matter of fact, I plan on showing you what's possible by maxing out all the possible ways that you can kind of make money, right? So I make a little bit of money on YouTube, not necessarily on this channel yet, but it's coming soon. And of course, I have other ventures that I do, and I also drive Uber as well. You would be surprised how much money you can make driving Uber in one of the major cities within the United States. Anyway, I've babbled on quite a bit, so I'm going to show you guys my fourth dividend payment from Armour Residential REIT. So I have pulled up here my Robinhood account, and as you guys can see right now, as of the making of this particular video, my portfolio is currently worth $190,000. This is actually, the video is being shot on a weekend, so it's closed. The market is closed. However, there's a little bit of activity going on because of Dogecoin. That is the only thing that I have as far as Bitcoin is concerned. Not Bitcoin, as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. And so that's why you're going to see the screen fluctuating. So as you guys can see it here on the ticker, not the ticker, but here on the screen, it says 1D, which means 1 day, 1W, which is 1 week. I'll show you guys my progress here. So I'm up for the week. I'm up $131 for the month. I'm down, I'm sure, negative $6,800 for 3 months. I am currently up $9,000. And for 1 year, I am down negative $45,000. But overall, I'm really, at the moment, I have invested in the market since May 2020, $206,000. So I'm basically like $16,000 in the red right now, right? Or 16, call it 17,000 in the red right now. So since the video has started, you guys saw that it was $190,000. Now it says $189,996, and it's going to fluctuate, right? So I'm going to take you guys, like I said, along with me and along my journey. I will show you what I'm learning and what I'm doing in regards to the stock market. So I'm going to click on this tab here at the top of the screen, which is going to open Armour Residential REIT. Once again, the ticker symbol is ARR. So currently it is trading for $12.04. And I can show you guys that my current market value right now is $10,440.47. My overall return is plus $179. So I have an overall return of 1.75%. My average cost per share is $11.83, and I currently have 867 shares. So let me go ahead and scroll down and show you guys my last dividend payment that I've gotten. Once again, this is my fourth dividend payment. So I'll just click on show more real quickly, and then I'll click on dividends just to show you guys, once again, this is my fourth payment. So the first payment you guys can see here was on February 26th for $14.26. And then the second payment here was on March 29th. I grabbed some more shares. At that time, I had 847 shares, and they're paying $10. They're paying 10 cents per share, okay? That's March 29th. The next dividend payment was on April 29th, when I had 853 shares, still paying 10 cents per share, which gave me a total of $85.31 as far as dividend is concerned. And they reinvested and bought some more dividends. So the most recent dividend payment that I got from ARR is on May 27th, and it was a dividend payment of $86. So I had 860 shares, and they're paying 10 cents per share still, and I got $86 in regards to dividend payments. And of course, they took the time to reinvest that and bought $86 worth of shares, which right here I'll show you. So they were able to buy $86 worth of shares, which is the dividend payment that I got most recently on May 27th, which allowed me to get 7.14 shares right here. You guys can see on the screen at basically $12.04. So the reason why I keep doing these videos and showing you guys is I want you to understand what is possible in regards to the stock market and how you can earn money. These dividend payments, eventually what will happen is 10, 15, not 10, let's say 15, 20, 25 years down the road, I'm going to be getting a substantial amount of dividend payments monthly. Currently, I'm probably anywhere between like $500 to $600 in regards to dividend payments. And a lot of the accounts in my portfolio, I'm being really aggressive. There are like REITs, business development companies as well in there. And so I do have a lot of my money in my portfolio. A lot of it, about, I don't know, maybe 40% of it is towards Apple. So there's like $70,000 that's invested with Apple, and we all know why that is. And then I have maybe another $39,000 to $40,000 invested with Tesla. So even though I have a lot of money invested, that $189,000 that you guys see on the screen, or that you saw on the screen, that $189,000 is not only into dividend paying stocks. Okay, Apple pays us such a small dividend. I don't even consider it a dividend paying stock, even though they are paying dividends. And then Tesla doesn't pay any dividends at all. So in reality, out of the money that I currently have invested, according to the $189,000 or $190,000, only about $80,000 of that is invested in dividend stocks. So my monthly payment, instead of being $500 to $600 a month, would be a lot more if I had invested actual 100% of my total portfolio in real dividend paying stocks. And so it'll be interesting because, like I said, as I'm learning more in regards to the stock market, I'm going to be sharing that with you guys and sharing my journey. As a matter of fact, I currently have some money in a Webull account that I haven't even shared with you guys yet, but I grabbed some more shares of Tesla in a Webull account that I was planning on doing some day trading with. So we'll kind of see. I'll keep you guys posted as this continues, or I'll let you guys know what I'm deciding to do once I do it. By no means am I trying to give you guys advice as to what stocks you should purchase. I'm never really going to do videos, I don't think, where I'm telling you, you got to get this stock right now. This is such a great stock. It's on fire. I don't think that's what's going to happen on this channel, but we'll see. You never know. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.